is a pot of remelted soap. I just chopped it up, added about a half a cup of water, and left it overnight. And it was a milk soap, so it turned nice and brown, so it caramelized. And to this, I decided to add a little bit of cinnamon to deepen that, and to also add some apple paste. Now, I've already added about half a cup, so I've added half of a jar. So we're adding quite a bit of the apple paste to this. Now, it already has honey, and it already has beeswax, and it already has all those wonderful ingredients that my soap always has. Plus, we've added apples and spices. And I'm going to add a little bit of lemon, just like we're making an apple cobbler or a cake. So give it a little bit of a lemony scent to it with all those spices. Just make sure it's nice and mixed. And I've already prepared the indents for this. We are going to do a little bit of a pencil line, if I can manage it. Let's see. With charcoal. Mind your ears. A nice little bit there. I am going to wipe that down a little more because I want it the way I want it. And you don't really have to spritz, but I like to, just to make sure that my layers are going to stick when I add something like a pencil line. And this is going to be a heavy charcoal line. Again, we'll do a little wipey. I don't trim my sides when I do these kind of molds, and I guess I could. It just seems like such a waste of soap. I think that's good enough. And another quick stir. A little bit of air in this one. Yum. This almost smells edible, guys. Smells amazing. Oh my goodness, I think I made too much. Okay, I might have to do a smaller one to go with it. Okay, I'm going to go bang this down. Maybe we're just right. I did 1200, which is what this mold is supposed to hold. Well, I am going to trim off because I want this to be, well, maybe we can peek it, I don't know. It's not enough for another mold, but I'll scrape that off later. Let's just see what we're doing here. I need yet to do anything with this. It's just sticking. So we'll do it this way. So we get a little more down. Now, if you do a hot process, this is a handy way to get a smooth, decorative top if you didn't know. We are going to take that off. And then we are going to put these all over it. Hope that that's super duper pretty. Let's see, I've got a few more here. I've got one. These are lovely little soaps, so cute. I'm just going to a little more along the side. I think I've got plenty, possibly to do both sides. We'll see. Fiber. Apple fiber. And then of course we're going to give it a nice healthy dose of cinnamon. I've got too many on this side. Just need to move one. And space these a little better. There we go. There we go. Now I am going to spritz with alcohol. And that will help my cinnamon sprinkle just stick to. I'm just doing a high top sprinkle. So another natural soap, well, nearly natural. It's a little bit of cinnamon in there to boost it, with a little bit of cinnamon vanilla to boost it in my fragrance blend. There we go. Okay, welcome to the cutting of my apple spice cake, spice soap cake. It looks like there's big chunks of apple in there, which is super cool. And all those spices. How fun is that? And a little dollop of a rosebud of ice cream on top. Yum! Here, let's... my washcloth. And there's another one. How awesome is that? That's really fun. That's super fun. I like that. So rebatching is a lot like hot process. You can do a lot of the same things with it, and you don't even have to mess with the lye. So you can buy soap, preferably fresh soap, or you can use your messed up batches and create something new and wonderful. Make sure you add some nice skin nourishing ingredients to it. Both sides are different. Maybe you'll come up with something fun and funky for the holidays. Good. I had a mishap with green mica, so my hands are covered in mica. I can't get it off. It's in my fingernails. Anybody ever accidentally dropped their mica and got it all over themselves? Oh my gosh. What a mess. I think my kitchen floor is never going to be the same. I like this brown with these white tops. This is a really interesting look. I could get used to this. I could make lots of them like this. I think my style and my brand is starting to emerge. Which is really kind of fun. Alrighty. My favorites kind of have this natural bint to them. Oh no, I lost an embed there. Let's see if I can fix it. Oh, it wasn't in very good. Yeah, it's pretty soft. Maybe it'll... oh, everything about this is super soft. Oh, probably want to see that. It's like little bits of apple, but it's soap, the honey soap. Always good to see the top of it. We live on a hill here in Victoria. And everyone has to race up that hill. Oh my gosh, it is like required, I swear. One wanted to come out, but it decided to stay. Yay! And this end piece I'm actually going to trim. Just a wee bit of it. I think I ruined the end piece. I should have left it an extra beefy bar. Nah, it's okay. And we'll see. I will bring you back once they've cured. They are very, very wet right now. So once they've had time to completely dry, we'll have another look at these rebatch soap, because that's always been my issue with rebatch, is that it shrinks in weird, strange ways, which makes it somehow less desirable than even hot process. So we'll see how these bear, and we'll bring you back and show you what they look like. Bye for now.